Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today I'm sharing a little slice of my daily life here at home. It's all about simple living, gardening, and earning passively without too much hustle. This morning, I spent some time planting cucumber and bitter gourd. Gardening has become part of my routine. It's relaxing and rewarding to watch everything grow day by day. Plus, fresh vegetables straight from your backyard? Nothing beats that. Cultivating my garden. Cultivating my life as a mother. Every time I go out to plant cucumbers, bitter gourd, or check on our pineapple, I realize how much it's like being a mother. Just like in gardening, raising children takes time, patience, and consistency. When you plant a seed, you don't see the result right away. You water it, protect it, and trust the process. That's exactly how it is with my kids. As a mom, I wake up each day with the responsibility not just to feed and care for them, but to nurture their hearts and minds. I give them guidance, love, and discipline, just like I do with my plants. There are hard days, of course, just like in gardening, times when plants don't grow the way you hoped or kids test your patience. But that doesn't mean we give up. Over time, with care and love, both the plants and our children bloom in their own beautiful way. Gardening teaches me patience and reminds me that growth is a slow and steady process, just like motherhood. I plant dates with patience just like raising my children. I care for them and wait for them to grow. So when I plant seeds in the soil, I also plant seeds in the hearts of my children, seeds of kindness, strength, and love. And one day, just like my garden, they'll grow strong and fruitful in their own time. Being at home, managing a small source of passive income like my Pisowifi, allows me to focus on both my garden and my kids. I may not be working a traditional job, but I am working on growing food, growing my children, and growing a peaceful, meaningful life. So when I plant seeds in the soil, I also plant seeds in the hearts of my children, seeds of kindness, strength, and love. And one day, just like my garden, they'll grow strong and fruitful in their own time. This is my Pisowifi as I really earn. Lot. Less credit, less stress, and save to load my phone and save time and effort of looking for speed of signal of internet as well. Truly, when I don't have this Piso Wi-Fi yet, I can say my kids always feels hungry because of lack of budget on food, And sometimes I climb in a coconut tree to get a young coconut to feed my kids. Now I'm visiting our pineapples plants over the Moopton, and it's just walkin' little time. Here at the backyard, about pineapple is really helpful. Absolutely. Pineapples are not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Here are some key benefits of eating pineapple. 1. Rich in vitamin C. Pineapples are high in vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system, promotes healthy skin, and aids in iron absorption. 2. Aids digestion. They contain an enzyme called bromelain, which helps break down proteins and can improve digestion. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain also has anti-inflammatory effects which can help reduce swelling, pain, and aid recovery from surgery or injuries. 4. Supports weight loss. Pineapples are low in calories and high in water content, making them a good snack for hydration and feeling full. I also plant papayas. Of course. Papaya is another tropical fruit full of health benefits. Here's a simple explanation of what makes papaya so good for you. Rich in vitamins. Papaya is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E, which help boost your immune system, keep your skin healthy, and protect your eyesight. Helps digestion. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain that helps break down proteins, making it easier to digest food. It also has fiber, which keeps your digestive system healthy. Supports heart health. The antioxidants and fiber in papaya can help lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Anti-inflammatory. Like pineapple, papaya has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and swelling in the body. Good for skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in papaya help prevent skin damage, reduce wrinkles, and promote a healthy glow. Boosts immunity. High levels of vitamin C help the body fight off infections and stay strong. May help eye health. Thanks to its high vitamin A content, papaya supports good vision and may reduce the risk of age-related eye issues. I also plant rambutan. Rambutan is a tropical fruit that's not only sweet and juicy, but also packed with health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of eating rambutan. Boosts immunity. Rambutan is rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system and protect against illnesses. Aids digestion. It contains fiber, which helps promote regular bowel movements and supports a healthy digestive system. Good for skin. The antioxidants and vitamin C in rambutan help fight skin damage, reduce signs of aging, and promote glowing skin. Provides iron. Rambutan contains iron, which is essential for making red blood cells and preventing anemia, low blood count. Hydrating. With its high water content, rambutan helps keep the body hydrated, especially in hot weather. Supports weight loss. It's low in calories and fat, and the fiber helps you feel full longer. Great for healthy snacking. Improves bone health. Rambutan provides small amounts of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all important for strong bones and teeth. Cleanses the body. Some traditional uses of rambutan include using it to help detox the body and support kidney function. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed spending time with me today. If you found this vlog helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with someone who might enjoy it too. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep growing, just like the fruits we talked about. See you in the next vlog.